What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to your daily Bitcoin update, which we had to do after quite a big drop, and we're going to zoom into the 1 hour time frame soon. Don't worry about that. It looks a little bit messy right now. But yeah, we had quite a big drop overnight, but it started yesterday in the afternoon, at least for me. Already you can see that we started that drop after hitting the top of 21,620. Started gradually falling. About 2 hours ago, we got that drop from 20,400 down to 20k, almost at least. So I just wanted to do a quick update, see what happened, and see what's going to happen next, or at least what I think is going to happen next, and what are the possibilities. So I do want to say that I do have some sort of a bias on Bitcoin for now, but this is more of an analysis than a price prediction, okay? So I do have a more bearish bias, but at this point of time, it's really almost 50-50 on what could happen with Bitcoin for now. And those options are not an uptrend. I think we're either going to consolidate a little bit now, which you could consider bullish, or we're going to drop down further. So what we said yesterday in the analysis is that if we would be able to break above this level here, above like 21,000, I think we said, that we would be able to take that break retest and get up to this level here between 20,700 and 22,000. Well, we hit that level, that was around the 200 EMA. We didn't have the trend line yet then, but we hit that level and we found resistance at the very bottom of that whole key area. So that's quite bearish, right? Because we didn't even stand a chance, and from there we started dropping, found some support here at that 20,800 level again. But now we've broken through it, took a break retest off of 20,500. So now basically two things can happen. We're at that holy 20,000 level again. So I do think we'll get some sort of a bullish move all the way up to 20,500 again. But after that, we're either going to break through 20,000, I think, or we're going to hold it. So let's first discuss the bearish scenario, okay? So if we get to that 20,500 level and we do something like this, and I'm biased a little bit towards this scenario, but if we do something like this, that basically means that this was just a small flag upwards and that we're going to at least continue going down for a little bit up until I think we'll find some support at 19,500, 19,600. But after that, I think we're dropping down to 19,000. And from there, it gets more interesting, because I do think 19,000 could actually hold as a consolidation. But if this is really a continuation of the whole downtrend we've been in, it would be very weird to assume that we're not dropping down to 17,000 and 16,000 within the next month, right? But it's a little bit early to conclude that, I think, because I also think that there's a fair possibility that we'll just continue this downtrend until 19,000 and hold that level for a longer period of time, so for a couple of weeks. I think that's possible, but that really depends on the fundamentals, but also the touches we get off of 19,000. So we'd still have to wait for that, but for now that's the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is that we do not continue this uptrend we had, at least on the 1 hour time frame, but that we do stay in this consolidation, because you can see that we actually created the perfect foundation to consolidate within this level. On the 4 hour time frame, it's less clear, right? On the 4 hour time frame, this really looks like a bullish flag, and that will continue this downtrend again. That's why I'm also biased towards that scenario. But we do have the possibility. I mean, everything is possible within crypto. We have seen that the market still has some power to get back up. I mean, from that bottom we made, we did go up about 23%, right? So there's still power. There's still buyers for Bitcoin at around all these levels. So if we actually manage to stay above 20,000 for the next 2 or 3 days or something, we have a big resistance level here between 21,000 and 20,700. But I think that as long as we stay above 20,000, right, for the next 3 days, we are going to break through that. And I think that we can then also get back up to 22,000 and basically consolidate between 20,000 and 22,000 for the next, let's say, week. But for that to happen, I mean, as I said, for the next like 2-3 days, we would really need to stay above 20,000. That's the main criteria. If we can do that, even if in all that time we just consolidate between 20,800 and 20,000, it's fine. Because that shows that there is a lot of power in that 20,000 level, and that leads me to believe that we can also reach 22,000 from that level again. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Bitcoin for now, both scenarios. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about the scenarios, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.